Hey everyone, this is Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa, and I'm very pleased to be doing this review for a great product that's coming out tomorrow. That's Tuesday, the 18th of August at 9 a.m. EST on Warrior Plus. The product's been brought up by my coach, Jono Armstrong and Mark Fulsane, and the whole concept behind the product is that Jono really specializes in YouTube traffic, and he's written the software that goes out and finds YouTube videos that are still getting a lot of traffic, but a lot of people aren't advertising on those particular videos and the competition is low. Instead of going for the most popular videos, there's a lot of videos that are out there that a lot of people don't know about. And he's teamed up with Mark Fulsane, who's got, GrooveFunnels, this brand new software that's free. It costs nothing. I've signed up for it. So basically, what this whole program does, it shows you to identify these videos that are monetizable on YouTube. Jono shows you exactly how to find them and then set up the campaign in Google AdWords and lead them to, and then you lead your traffic to 3 high ticket offers. You host those pages on GrooveFunnels for free. I'll show you what the page looks like, and let's get going. So here we're in the members area. There's a welcome video here by Jono. It's very important to watch it. The opt-in page links, YouTube videos for MOF, YouTube video. So what Jono's doing is actually giving the actual ads for, as I said, there are three hot tickets you can choose from that are done for you pages. The first is MOF, which is Jono's, and here he's providing all the video ads. John Cristani, there are 2 video ads, and then there's another hot ticket product on ClickBank called Wi-Fi Profits. And then there's some advanced training where Jono shows you how to get even more advanced with YouTube ads and how to get $100 free, so you can start off out of pocket. Let me show you quickly the sales page. Let's go through the sales page. Then I'm going to show you my bonus page. Then we'll play around with the software quickly. So here's the sales page. It's quite a long sales page. I encourage you to read it and go through it. But it says brand new 2-in-1 software suite. Find and convert penny-click YouTube traffic into 3+ figure commissions. We're using this to bank $1,000 daily without making a single video. So John is actually using this, and he's making $10,000 a day doing YouTube ads, and that's what he's teaching in his high ticket group, which I'm part of. And yeah, I mean, that's what the sales page just talks about, is that traffic isn't simple, but once you following a proven method and piggybacking on guys like Jono, who spent thousands and thousands testing, and last year he made over $1 million. You can see he made over $1 million, and then you get to use Mark Fulsane's pages for free, and it's a great strategy, guys, to be able to use the app and to be able to find these videos, plus this top class YouTube training here. And yeah, I really like this product. So let me show you my bonus page. Here's my bonus page, Saul's custom bonus bundle for Jono's product. Brand new 2-in-1 software suite. Finds and converts penny-click YouTube traffic into 3+ figure commissions. So we're sending penny-click YouTube traffic to high ticket sales. And there's a Vanquish. What's Vanquish all about? Vanquish includes a unique software for driving penny-click traffic from YouTube to convert high ticket offers for monetization, and therefore final pages built on Mark Fulsane's breakthrough groove pages. So Plus, users get $100 upfront ads voucher, so they have no out-of-pocket cost to get started. The front end, let's just go through that, is $12.97. So for all the YouTube ads, training, plus the app, which I'm going to show you, plus to get Mark Filsane's traffic pages for free, it's $12.97. Upsell one is $67. Pro includes another standalone fully automated traffic source plus winning methods for driving free traffic from both Instagram and TikTok, plus unlocks unlimited video searches with the software. Upsell to Vanquish DFY campaigns, $97. Tried, tested, proven to convert. This upgrade packs 10 proven commission generating campaign from Jono's personal collection. These evergreen offers have made Jono over $75,000. So you get 10 of Jono's campaign. Upsell 3x DFY high ticket funnels plus limitless traffic. You get another 3 DFY high tickets done for you. So you'll have 3 on the front end plus another 3, that's 6 all in all, plus limitless traffic where you can put your pixels on all of Jono's sales pages for a year and build up your custom audience for Google in that way. And upsell 3, 4 app reseller license bundle. Resale rights to Vanquish Javascript Bot, Insurgency and Geminii users get to sell these as their own product. You get 100%. So super easy, super beginner friendly. I can attest to that. I set it up today. Ultra fast results. Beta testers have been doing gain commissions on the first day. Lifestyle income potential. Here are my bonuses. The first is JavaScript Bot. Actually, the pro version launched by my coach Jono a month ago. Value $427. Bonus 2 is Geminii. That's Jono's latest course on Warrior Plus. Also less than a month old, and it's really an amazing course. Vanquish bonus number 3 for value $344 is access rights to Insurgency license rights. So Insurgency is his Facebook advertising course, also still selling, and you're getting license rights, so you can charge people to use. You can actually use it as a service and sell it. Over 2,500 email swipes to copy and paste. So you're going to be building up a list with this product, Vanquish, and you get 2,500 proven emails that Jono has been using, and you can just copy and paste them. Bonus 5, you get another 40 bonuses from Jono, another 40. So the opening price is $12.97. You get all of these bonuses. If you want to go for a few more of the upsells, I think this upsell number 3 looks amazing. $197 where you get to sell all of these as your own, keeping 100%. But have a look what you can afford. Definitely just get the front end, and it launches tomorrow. That's Tuesday, the 18th at 9 a.m. EST. Let me show you the app. So here's the walkthrough, and the walkthrough shows you how to make pages and host them onto GrooveFunnels. Here you can see Saul Maraney GrooveFunnels, and there's my first page that I've already made where I collect leads, and it goes to Jono's webinar. And then here's YouTube, and this is the YouTube feature where you can say make money online, And what it's going to do now, it goes out to YouTube and it's found all of the videos that have make money online, and it shows how many likes they have, the competition, and you can take these exact videos and put them into YouTube, where Jono shows you in the YouTube training and actually target all of these with your high ticket offers and the penny clicks, and it's going to find you videos that other people don't know about. So it's just gone a bit slow. So you can select all here, added links, and then you'd copy and paste all of these into the YouTube training that Jono is going to show you back here. So in the Vanquish is the YouTube training to show you how to set up these YouTube video ads. I showed you the app that helps you find all of these videos in whatever niche that you want. There we go. In whatever niche that you want, and you get the free Groove pages from Mark for saying that you can start collecting leads. And I'm choosing to promote Jono's offer. You get 3 done for you offers on the front end. You get Jono's offer, you get Jono's offer, and you get John Crestani's offer, and you get Wi-Fi profits. The other 2 are on ClickBank. Are choosing to promote Jono's on Warrior Plus. Keep it tight on Warrior Plus. So yeah, guys, that's my review. It's really not a complicated product to work out. That the app will find you the videos to advertise on. That there isn't much competition. There's amazing YouTube training within the course that Jono shows you exactly how to set up these campaigns, and Zishan shows you how to target those exact videos, and then you host your pages on Groove pages, which cost nothing. And I mean, if you sell a copy of Jono's high ticket offer, which I've just set up here on Groove funnels and on Groove pages, you can see Vanquish app.co page, Saul Maraney and Moth, and it's $650 a sale. So instead of getting $2 or $3 a sale, it's $650 a sale. Guys, let's get to my highest recommendation. Jono definitely is the #1 guy. Thanks for sticking with me with this review. I hope that you enjoyed it. It comes out tomorrow, Tuesday, the 18th of August at 9 a.m. EST, and I'd appreciate it if you pick it up through me. You just click any of these links here and you'll get all of these free bonuses, and they'll be waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account. If you can't locate them, just come down to the bottom of the page and you'll find my email, and you can email me your receipt. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Saul Maraney from Cape Town, South Africa. Have a great night. Cheers.